Hi, my name is John. Welcome to a short cooking video. If you've come here, expect to find welding, machining or steam engines. Unfortunately, you're at the wrong place for this particular video. My wife Deborah is on holiday on roads, so I've got the kitchen to myself, and I've decided to do a short video just to treat myself to something that I really enjoy eating and I haven't had for ages. Something very simple, a steak sandwich. That's enough talk. I'll show you the ingredients. We'll go about cooking it so we can have a bit of a laugh along the way. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for my steak sandwich. I've got a nice onion, English mustard, a nice fresh bread bun and a couple of decent mushrooms. This is the important bit. This is the steak. This is a bit of fillet steak. You might think it's a bit lavish using fillet steak for a sandwich. That bit of steak cost me £3.50, trimmed to that thickness. I had a burger at a steam rally 2 or 3 weeks ago. I paid £12 for it. It was rubbish, so it makes this look not too expensive. I'm going to season the meat first. All I use, simple stuff, salt and pepper, freshly ground black pepper, freshly ground salt, the thing with fillet steak is there's no waste. You eat every little bit of it. There's no nasty grizzly bits, or at least there shouldn't be. Right, so that's a steak seasoned. Put that to one side. Then the onion. And cut the onion in half. Leave the roots on. And peel the first layer off. An onion, it's clever, it's already marked out for you to cut. It's got lines down that way for you to cut if you wanted to cut. Like diced onions, you put a slice through there and you cut that way. I want onion slices, and I want them to be probably, I don't know, 6mm thick. And once we get one marked, we can kind of, you can sort of guess 6mm, 1/4 inch. It's not that critical. Right, so that'll be plenty of onions. Next to mushrooms, I don't bother peeling them, quite honestly. It's, there's nothing there that's going to do you any harm. Once again, well, if we even it up, I think probably 10mm slices. Right, so that's basically everything prepared. Now what we need to do is cook it off, and I'll show you how I do that. Non-stick frying pan on a reasonably high gas. You can use butter, or you can use olive oil. I like olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, gearbox oil, 1040, but I really do like olive oil. Get that nice and hot. We'll cook the onions off first. Right, in with the onions. Right, they're starting to cook quite nicely. I love the smell of onions, it's absolutely wonderful. We'll turn the gas down just a little bit. Right, next mushrooms. The mushrooms will absorb the olive oil. Right there, look, starting to look the part now. Put them to one side and cook the steak. And for the steak that size, that thickness, probably 3 minutes a side. I like my steak sort of medium rare, especially the good quality fillet steak. In it goes You get a nice sizzle and you get this sear the meat first. And then I've started a timer on me phone and we're going to give it 3 minutes. Don't touch it, don't move it, just let it sit there. The smell is coming off it. It's absolutely incredible. If you can invent cameras with smells, it would be really good, especially for steam rallies, of course, if you like the smell of cool smoke and hot steam oil. Right, time to turn it over. Right, that steak now will be medium rare. See the juice is just starting to come through it. And then we'll take it off the gas, let it rest for a few minutes while we assemble the sandwich. Just leave that well alone now. Over the onions, mushrooms, a little bit of steak fell off. I'll have to eat that bit, I can't let that escape. Now the steak. A little bit of English mustard. You can put any garnish you want on here, but to me, English mustard and steak they're basically made for each other. There you have it. One steak sandwich. Here's steak, nice pinky colour. That's medium rare, that's perfect that. At least I think it is. Look at that. Perfect medium rare steak. Beautiful. It just remains to say, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. That's that good, it should be illegal. Bon appetit, bonny lad.